Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, let's get started by chopping up our tomatoes. Now, these here are fresh tomatoes from my garden. These are heirloom tomatoes. Fresh tasty too, y'all. They pretty tasty. Now, I know a lot of people, when they make tomato sauce, they'll take the skin off first. Me, the skin don't bother me like that, so I leave mine on. But anyway, y'all, don't forget to give your boy that LSS now. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Now once we get our tomatoes chopped up, we're gonna start filling our pots with these glorious tomatoes. Man, y'all, they tasty, man. I really didn't want to cook them, but I just had too many, y'all, and I still got some. So yeah, once we get our pot filled up, with our tomatoes, you can see how many I had, y'all. And we're just gonna let these simmer and simmer on down. Yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and take this from medium low to medium high and bring it up to a boil. And then we're gonna add in 1 whole onion and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And then we're gonna add some salt and some sugar. Now, I didn't get this on film, so I just added maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'll add more later when I actually make my dish, so I like to do mine that way. So let's go on outside and get us some basil, because we gotta have some basil in the dish, y'all. Gotta have some basil. So what I like to do is just stack my leaves on top of each other. And then just cut them on up, y'all. Cut them on up. Once we get these all cut up, let's go ahead and rain down on them with that basil, y'all. Then we're gonna mix that on up, and we're gonna let this simmer for another 30 minutes, y'all. And then we're gonna be ready. We're gonna be ready. Now, just a quick side note. If you do not want those skins on your tomatoes, you can quickly steam them, peel that skin right on off. I just don't think that it's worth the step, me myself. own personal opinion, y'all, don't make it right. So now we going in to our blender, and we gonna go ahead and mix this up into a nice sauce. And hey, we got spaghetti sauce, y'all. Well, not spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce. It's a great base to go whichever way you gonna go with it. You know what I'm saying? You can go tomato sauce with it. You can go pizza sauce with it. Whatever you need to do that day. But anyway, let's go and get this jarred up. And hey, I had enough for about 4 jars. Or was it 5? It was 4 or 5 jars. And hey, this will last me for a minute. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.